The second one involves 3 different postures with 3 different mudra positions. And it also involves a whistling breath at the end in combination with mentally vibrating the mantra So Hung. So is that, and hung is thou. So it essentially translates as I am thou. A very affirming sound current for not only the soul body, but your root chakra. And the root chakra sits at the base of the spine, located in the perineum area, and it is our sense of connection to the earth. It is our sense of connection to our sense of self-worth and all things as far as being vulnerable and feeling safe and secure, both primally and materialistically. Tuning in, Om Namo Gurudev Namo 3 times. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Holding the breath, squeezing the body, relaxing, and then we'll create our secondary mantra to surround ourselves with the light of truth. Adagade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satagade Name, Siddhigurudeve Name, Adagade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satagade Name, Siddhigurudeve Name, Adagade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satagade Name, Siddhigurudeve Name. Inhale. Holding the breath, squeezing at the root, lifting the energy up, encouraging the Kundalini to activate. Press the tongue to the roof of the mouth and relax. Okay, so here we'll have the right fist with the thumb extended. And you're going to press your thumb into the navel point, and then you're just going to hold with the left hand. You're going to hold that right fist. Press the thumb really strongly into your navel point. Sit super tall, and then just breathe long and deep through the nose. I want you to follow the breath from the navel point to the root of the nose. Follow the stream of breath from your navel point up to the root of the nose. And on the exhale, follow it back down. Stay continuously focused on following the stream of breath. It's recommended to do this meditation, this part of the meditation, for 11 minutes. We're going to do it for about 3. You can always do less, never do more. Follow the breath. Navel to the root of the nose. Root of the nose back down to the navel. A couple more breaths. Okay, good. One more breath. Nice. Okay. Second part, Lotus Mudra. Heels of the hands together, tips of the little fingers, sides of the thumbs. Bring this mudra in front of the face so that when you have your eyes closed, sitting tall, chest out, chin slightly down, you're not dropping your head, you're just dropping the eyes and barely opening. You see the tips of your thumbs. And you also start to feel the breath over the thumbs. Again, just continue with long, deep breathing. Hold everything steady. Keep your gaze focused at the tip of the thumbs. Feel the breath flowing over the thumb tips. We're going to do one more breath, long and deep through the nose. Breath flowing over the thumb tips. Good. Now the third and final part of this meditation series is you're going to take your thumbs and press them into the armpits. And you want to find that spot in the armpit that's sensitive and press there. This is a junction of all the nervous systems, a junction in your armpit. It's the exhaust pipe of the brain. So you want to find that spot and just hold it there steady. Then the other parts of the hand are resting on the top part of the chest. We're going to be mentally focusing on the mantra sound current. So on the inhale, hung on the exhale. I am that. So, hung. When we inhale, we're going to inhale through the mouth with a whistle. And then we're going to close the mouth and exhale through the nose. Inhale, vibrating so. Exhale, vibrating hung. And you'll continue. So sit tall and have your eyes at the, actually your eyes are closed and they're just focused at the third eye point. Keep a steady pressure with your thumbs in the center of the armpits. Hold steady. One more. Good, and then just relax the hands down. Sit quietly. Just integrating these three parts of this meditation for our heart center, which is where the soul is, where the soul resides in this human form, where our experience of infinity and the journey are all unfolding. Feeling the harmonious balance of our root chakra, our ability to be vulnerable, dealing with adversity, and knowing our self-worth. Good. Let's bring our hands into prayer mudra. And we'll chant one long sat and a short nam. Sat nam. Sat nam. This concludes our practice of working with the soul body and the root chakra. I am Melanie Mataji, and this is the Kundalini Sanctuary in the Golden Heart of Las Vegas. Sat nam.